Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing starlights in my car. Now, I've never done that before, so I don't know. I don't know how to do it, so we're going to learn together. So I went and bought all the stuff to do it. Now we're going to take the headliner out, and then we'll take it to the house and we'll start putting them in. Probably take us a couple days. Oh, and I got the ambient lighting coming as well, so we will do that too when it comes. And yeah, I pulled this one out already. Yeah, you can't really see it. Hold on, let me get the light. We got that one out. Now, I don't know how to pull this one out. Yeah, we'll do that one later. We're gonna pull this out. Let me get the flathead screwdriver. There we go. Probably broke it. I'm gonna pull this thing off so we can take the. I'm gonna pull the seal off so I can take the C-pillar off, and then this can drop down. I think anyway. I don't know. I'm trying to figure this shit out. There we go. We got the first. Sun visor off. Hot as a bitch in here. I forgot to record it, but I got the dome light out. I just pulled on it and it popped out. Okay, now you gotta pop out this piece. So I'm gonna see if I can do it by hand. Oh shit, there we go. That's out. Okay, so I'm gonna unplug these, this side, and then on this side. I'll do that right now. There, I got this out. I should have put the camera down and then I could pop out the little clips. Now for the B pillars, you don't have to remove them. If you just take your finger and go behind here, you can like pull it out and then it's down. Now for the pillars in the back, you just clip right in the middle here and just pry it out. So let me do that right now. There, I pulled that one out. You get the clips out and then you just slide it up and it pops out. So we'll pull that one out next. There, got that side off. Now I gotta figure out what we do for that, how we get that off. I think you just pull down on it. There, that just pops out. You just pull down on it and then you unclip that wire. And then okay, now to pop these out, you gotta take the little flaps off first. Let me take them off. Okay, now to pop these out, you gotta take 2 flathead screwdrivers. Let me see if I can set the camera up while I do that shit for you guys. So guys, for some reason I lost the clip of me actually pulling the headliner out completely. But if you take 2 screwdrivers and you stick them up in there and you pry the opposite way on both of them, it'll like pop 2 little pins loose, and then you just pull on the handle. It'll pop out for you, and then just pull down on the dome light, pops that out, and that is all to pull the headliner out. Then if you lay the seats down, you can kind of like curve it a little bit and pull it out the back door. Okay, I got the headliner out and I took all the little foam pieces off. I don't know if you're supposed to take them all off, but I did anyway, just so I can get little holes. friend told me to divide it into 4 sections, so I'm going to do that right now. I got some markers here. Okay, 4 sections. We're going to go right down the center here. That's a section. We'll make like this a little section, that a little section, and that a section. Okay. And here's the Starlight. We got Breezy here helping us. Okay, there's that. So it is currently the next day, guys, and I got a bunch done. I did all the black tape where I'm gonna do for the shooting stars. So I did 12 of those with 20 little dots all over here. And then I started doing the dots here. I did 125 for here, 125 for here, and then I'm going to do 125 times 2, whatever that is, 240 or whatever, in here. So I'll do all those dots now, and then we'll punch all the holes and then feed all the wires through. It is currently evening time now, but I've been working on this like most of the day, off and on hours here. Got it all done, well, all the wires like put through, and I just started like gluing it down. So we'll glue it all down right now and get it all nice. I'm gonna run it out the back here to run down the pillar for the back battery, and then after that we will do all the 100 shooting stars. I have to get it all glued down and nice, then I'll put them in spots, and hopefully I can have it done tomorrow sometime. I got all the holes drilled on this side, and I started feeding some of the wires through. I actually accidentally went and drilled too many holes, so it's gonna be a few too many holes on this side, but on the other side I'll get that one just right, hopefully. It's my first one, so I'm still trying to figure it out how to do it. But we're gonna I gotta go to therapy now, but after I get back, then we are gonna finish feeding all these wires through. Then we will drill these holes and put these in, and then glue everything down. I'm gonna run everything out the back here, and then I can mount it like maybe in the trunk or something. Mount the this little control box. Mount it in the trunk, I think. Should work. And then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay guys, I am like halfway done gluing it, but it is currently 1:53 in the morning, so I'm gonna go to bed for tonight. But I have like all the front here glued down, and then I like glued that, hold all the main wires and stuff, and then I'm gonna run it out the back. That's probably gonna all get ripped up, but it's just held down for now. Run it out the back so I can run it down to the battery and stuff. But tomorrow I will finish this one. So it is currently like, what is it, 1:49 in the morning, and I just got it done. Well, I got everything down and glued. I just got to flip it over and snip all the wires yet, but I used some duct tape and some zip ties to hold it all down. I went and duct taped all the shooting stars together. I wish I had done the other one, the main wires like that, but I didn't because I wasn't thinking about that. So that's kind of a mess. So I'll have to straighten that out tomorrow when I go put it in the car. But right now I'm going to snip all the wires and then, yeah, put it in the car tomorrow, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I just got all the wires snipped. So it is completely done. Now tomorrow afternoon or something, I'll put it in the car. Probably won't get up early because it's like 2:30 in the morning. But it looks cool. Gotta route all them wires then tomorrow down through the back. But I'll show you that process whenever we start doing that tomorrow. And yeah, we'll catch you tomorrow. Okay, I got the headliner done completely. Got all the little foam pieces glued back on. Now I'm getting ready to put it in the car. Yeah, that's gonna be the fun part. Putting this bitch in by myself with all those wires. Yeah, I laid the seat back already. I'm gonna run the wires down through right here. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do that yet. So we'll look into that later, but right now I'm gonna at least get the headliner in, lay the other seat down a little bit, and then yeah, I'll slide it in. I got that shit inside now. Now I just gotta put it up. This little thing popped off though, wherever it's at. Little thing for here. So I'll have to go get the glue gun and glue that shit back on. Okay, I got the headliner in. I'm running the wires down right through here, and we're putting them underneath this piece. See how that looks. I might have to buy a screw to fasten this piece on. It's kind of big. Changed our minds and decided to put it in behind here in the trunk.
Huh?
I'm just telling the people on camera where we're putting it. Because there's so many wires, so it wouldn't really fit up under there. So we're gonna put it back here, and then tuck it all up in there. It'll look real good.
Sí, un chin, nada más tú sabes que yo no como mucho.
Super thick wires. I should have got a different kit, but I didn't know. Had to flip that piece to make it fit since the wires are so big, but it'll still look good. Got the inside all back together now, like new. The wires are all tucked in behind here. I gotta buy a longer wire, I mean some extra wire, and add it into here so I can run it up on top here so you can't see it. Then we'll be done. I'll just buy this cover for the battery, cover all that shit up, and we'll be good. After it gets dark tonight, then I'll show you the inside. I still gotta buy nail clippers and clip all the wires real nice, but we'll do that here tonight. Okay guys, I'm gonna take this little fingernail clippers and I'm just gonna go and clip them all because they stick out like an 1/8 inch or so. So I'm gonna clip them and then they should sit real nice. And then when it gets dark tonight, I'll show you what they look like. Again tonight. Should I gotta put that other piece on yet? But yeah, after it's dark tonight, we're gonna go to Lowe's and get a little screw because I gotta snag screw this. Nice, it pops out because the wires are so damn thick. And then it'll be completely done. Looks good though. So I'll show you again tonight when it gets dark. And guys, here's what they look like at nighttime now. Wouldn't say it's the best, but for my first time, I think it's pretty good. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, please subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what else I should be doing to the car, and yeah, I will catch you guys next week.